Shiba is up over 70%. That's good for all the SHIB hodlers. Even if you got in early this month. Remember, I started the 30-day challenge early October. But here's the thing. You do not want to forget about Leash or Bone. You see Bone here is up 30%. And you see Leash is up here up 45%. You don't want to forget about these things. And I'll show you why. And let's talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. It's just not Shiba. It's the Shiba ecosystem they call the trifecta. And Leash, it only has, remember, Leash only has, and I will show you here, 107,000 tokens. That's all it has. And then remember, Bone is up 29%, as you see here. It only has 250 million in max supply. So why is it up? It's a couple of reasons why. Our ecosystem, this came from SHIB. It's more than just SHIB. Exchanges are starting to see it too. We would love to see Leash and Bone being available everywhere. See, here's the thing. You can't forget about the whole ecosystem. SHIB is important. Bone is too. And if you've been collecting your Bone by burying your SHIB in a Shiba swap, congratulations. Because you're going to be rewarded soon. Because Bone and Leash, it has a future. As you see here, here is Stealth EX is listing. That's just one. Here's another one. Another listing. 𝐵𝒞𝐿 trade SHIB and Leash on Bitcoin or 𝐵𝒞𝐿. That came in earlier today. And here's another one. Another exchange. Another one. More exchanges? Yes. But this time the announcement is for Leash and Bone. I'm letting you know, if you are a SHIB hodler or if you're not one, do not forget about Bone and Leash. I've done videos about it saying, hey, just don't forget about it. Not necessarily telling you to go ahead and get a Bone and Leash. I just want to remind you, hey, don't forget about it. And if Bone and Leash is down when you got it, to me, based off the research, it's going to go up. Because look at this new listing here. And this is starting to trade today. It says the 27th. Today is October 27th. New listing. Hey, this is happening today. So when I go back over here, I see Bone. And even if I refresh the page, you know, look at the trading volume. Look at that. Look at the trading volume. Trading volume is pretty high. And this is Bone. Trading volume is pretty high. So let's look at the Leash's trading volume, shall we? Well. It's up high as well, 119. Let's go to Shiba's trading volume. Well, 244. They all are high right now. And because here's the thing, it's a trifecta. And so when I go to Shiba Swap, yes, I can swap my Ethereum for Bone. And we'll talk more about Shiba Swap in another video. But here's the thing. Bone and Leash and Shiba is powerful if you have all three. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm not telling you to buy Bone, Leash, or even SHIB. I'm just getting you to think about it. If it works with your strategy, you know what you need to do. If it don't work with your strategy, you know what to do. So this is not a video that's saying, hey, go buy Bone, go buy Leash. It's not at all. I'm just telling you what's coming. Here's an exchange. This happened earlier today. Here's another exchange. This happened earlier today. Here's another exchange. This happened earlier today. Come on now. Put the numbers together. Exchange. And they even said it here. More exchanges. All right? They even said it right here. Exchanges are starting to see it too. We would love to see Leash and Bone being available everywhere. Remember, SHIB, you can buy SHIB on a lot of places right now. Coinbase.com, Binance, 𝐿-𝐭, Crypto.com. You know, soon to be, at some point, Robinhood, Webull, eToro. Imagine Leash and Bone getting on half of those. And look at the supply is much lower than SHIB. 250 million, it's not that much. And in Leash, if you own at least 2 of these things, and it's only 107,000, if you own 2 of these things, it's a wrap. The price of Leash could go to, who knows, $10, $20, $30,000 because it's going to be a high demand for it. Once people figure this out, it's going to be a high demand. It's already demand. It's $2,000. You know? Remember, Leash was as low as $700. I know. Let me show you real quick. You see all this? You see? Let me go here. Let me go. Actually, I got to go a little bit farther. This was the time to get Leash, to be honest with you. If you were thinking about getting it, this was the time to get it. Look at that. $1,000. $1,000. $800 in August, right? This was the time to get it. A66, September 19th. That was the time. It was worth hardly any. $734. That's what the chart's telling me. Now it's going up. It's going up. It came down and it's going back up again. And now they're getting on exchanges now. More people can see it. More eyeballs. And it's just getting started. They're going to continue expanding Bone and Leash. You know what that's going to do? That's going to help the Shiba swap as a whole. And it's going to also help your portfolio. This is Captain Adam here. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching the entire video. Type in "I subscribe" in the comment line if I can show you some love. And I'll see you on the next video.